Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. So today we are going to discuss important topics for UPSC, right? So these topics exclusively important for UPSC Prelims 2020 friends, right? UPSC Prelims 2020. You can call me on this following number and simultaneously you can download the daily newspaper analysis from our Telegram channel by going to this channel name, right friends, Acquire IAS, right? So next we move further. So these are the few details about me. You can see this. So next, these are the few details of my offline batches. So those who are interested, you can come here and contact me. Next we see further. So today's important topics. So I will dictate the topics and make sure that you will make the notes of it, or else wherever you want to highlight, you may highlight it, right friends? So this is the part 3 of the important topics for UPSC Prelims 2020 exclusively, friends. So our first topic is various industrial corridors in India, right? So let me write here various industrial corridors in India. Right. So next is Demolition Act, and third one is Digital India Program. Fourth one is e-vehicle. Next one is Extended Producer Responsibility Act. Extended Producer Responsibility Act. Next is Asian Summit. Then comes read about GDP, because in recent time it has been declined, and read about its calculation methods. Second, read about its trend. Third, read about the privatization, right friends? So these all aspects you have to cover under GDP, right? You have to link it with it, right? Next is Apache helicopters. Next is Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan scheme. Next is Environment Pollution Control Authority. Next comes National Pharmaceutical Central Pricing Authority. Next comes cardiovascular diseases. What is the definition of cardiovascular disease? What are the types of diseases which are covered in it, right? What are the government initiatives that is taken by the government to eradicate these problems, and what are the years which it has been taken as a target, right? So you need to cover all these aspects from this angle. Next we will see about the ethanol blended petrol program, right? Next, biofuel policy 2018. Next comes read about first, second and third judges cases, right? Next comes our read about the RBI, read about its committees, right friends? Read about its committees, which is most important. In last year the UPSC prelims had asked the question from this aspect, so don't forget to read about it. Next is Vienna Convention. Read about the Vienna Convention. Next is National Council for Teachers Education Act of 1993. Teachers Education Act of 1993. Next comes rubella or congenital rubella syndrome. Next, Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization. Next, Mesopotamia. Next, radio frequency identifications. Radio frequency identification. Recently, it has been used in which of the following? Let me know in the comment sections, friends. Right. So next we see about and RFID. It is used in what are the other specifications of RFID? So read about it carefully, friends, because it is very much important for prelims as well as mains as well, right? So next, what do you understand by the aspirational districts? Aspirational districts. Next comes to National Genomic Grid. National Genomic Grid. Next comes to Gaganyaan. Read about Gaganyaan. Next is important straits. What are the straits which are in news? So you have to cover all those aspects. Next, Amrita Devi Bishnu. Right, friends? So read about it. Amrita Devi Bishnu. So what is this? Read about it, right? Next, Onam festival. Next, NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal. Right. Next, Andaman and Nicobar tribes. Andaman and Nicobar tribes, and read about the Odisha tribes as well, friends. Right. So what? Who are the tribes which are living in Odisha tribes? And read about the PVGT, particular vulnerable tribe groups. Right? How many PVTGs are included in it? So what are they? So read about all of them and where they are put up, where they are distributed. So read about all those things, right? So next we see further here. Nutritional International. Read about Nutritional International. Nutritional International. Next, Boone Convention. So what is Boone Convention and what are the provisions of it? Read it very much carefully, right? Next is Jallianwala Bagh. What is the issue of this Jallianwala Bagh? Read about it. Next is Shahid Beheshti Terminal. Shahid Beheshti Terminal. It was very much frequently in news, friends. So please focus it on Shahid Beheshti Terminal. Next is 91st Amendment Act of 2003. Next topic is ILO, that is International Labour Organization. Next is SDGs, that is Sustainable Development Goals. Next is NCSC, that is National Commission for Scheduled Caste. Next is NCST, that is National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. Next, what do you understand by the term gig economy? This question has been asked in the previous UPSC prelims, so please don't miss such kind of questions. Next we see further Operation Blue Star. What is this Operation Blue Star? Next is Small Finance Bank. What do you understand by the concept of Small Finance Bank? Next is remission of duties. Right, friends? Remission of duties or taxes and export product on export product. So read about it. Next, Hindi Divas. Hindi Divas. Read about the 8th schedule. What are the languages which is included in it? What are the years, particular years which are included in it? So read about all of that, right? So next we see about black rice. Black rice is famous in which state? Let me give you a hint for this. That is in northeastern states, right? Next, intangible cultural heritage of India. Intangible cultural heritage site of India. Intangible cultural heritage sites in India. So what is the criteria for this, and recently what kind of heritage sites which are included in it, right? So this all you have to cover, right? So next is Jammu and Kashmir Public Safety Act of 1978. Jammu and Kashmir Public Safety Act of 1978. Next is AGI, that is Attorney General of India, right? Next topic is Sabarimala, issue of Sabarimala. Next is National Commission for Women, National Commission for Women, NCW. Next is NHRC, that is National Human Rights Commission. Next is Annual Status of Education Report 2018, Education Report of 2018. Next is, what do you understand by the e-cigarette, whether it is permissible in India or banned in India, what are the preventable steps which is taken by the government, what are the harmful effects which can be caused by the e-cigarettes for human beings and the society as well. So read about it. Next, NPA, read about NPA, that is non-performing assets. Next topic is National Nutritional Mission, National Nutritional Mission. Next is minimum alternate tax, minimum alternate tax. Next, Finance Act of 2019, Finance Act of 2019, this is most important, friends, right? Next, CSR, that is Corporate Social Responsibility, CSR, that is Corporate Social Responsibility. Next, Model Code of Conduct, Model Code of Conduct. Next is Zonal Council. So Zonal Council comes under which article? Total how many councils are present in India, and it is headed by which department? So you have to cover these all aspects, right? So next we see further Hindu Widow Remarriage Act of 1856. Hindu Widow Remarriage Act of 1856. During this period, who is the Governor General in India? Let me know in the comment section, friends, right? So next, the last topic of this video is 1267 committee. Read about this 1267 committee, which is most important, very much frequently in news, friends, right? So these are the important topics for this video. So if you like the video, so let me know in the comment section, so what kind of reforms you need to bring, right, friends? So that is it for this video, friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe for Acquire IAS. Thank you very much. Have a great day.